the last few years, there has been a tremendous growth in information technology and associated industry. Especially with globalization phenomenon, the IT market boom was quite evident in India. A research forecasts India as the undisputed leader in the outsourcing space in the 2008. And in particular, Andhra Pradesh experienced considerable growth. The requirements of IT market are fast changing, and the regular academic calendar could not accommodate the rapid changes in the technology. Lakhs of students bid farewell to their academic institutions and step out every year with a ray of hope of getting a good job. But today, just stepping out with a qualification from a college is not sufficient.
Somehow, most of the students are used to studying in vernacular language, and when they get into a corporate world, we have found that there are a lot of gaps in terms of their behavior.
What if a large number of students passing out do not get jobs because of poor communication and human resource skills? The state of Andhra Pradesh faced this perplexing problem. With a vision to bridge the gap between industry and academia, Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Y.S. Rajasekhar Reddy initiated the concept of Jawahar Knowledge Centers to help particularly the rural graduates realize their dream of IT job in a multinational company.
Our major strength is our human resource, and this resource should be properly trained. We have started a unique process called Jawahar Knowledge Centers since December 2004. We started these programs in just 20 institutions in the state, and now we have spread this across the state in 1,000 institutions. Now we find that every year, thousands and thousands of boys and girls, even from the remotest colleges which are located in different parts of the state, are getting absorbed by the industry in a very big way.
JKC is a novel and unique concept introduced for the first time in the state of Andhra Pradesh to bridge the gap between industry, academia and government to improve the rate of employment in IT and ITES sectors.
The concept is based upon a collective participation of academia, industry and government.
When this scheme was launched, this is the first of its kind in India. And 1 year or 2 years after we started the program, at least 7 or 8 states have come to us and asked us about this program. And we are actively engaged in helping about 4 states as of today in setting up JKCs in their respective states. You know, what has been started about 4 years ago, today has emerged into one of the best programs in the state and has caught national attention.
JKC has been making a significant contribution to enrich the employability.
There were around 85,000 jobs until 2004 in our state. Now, nearly 150,000 jobs were created between 2004 and 2008 with the establishment of JKCs and by the additional promotional measures taken up by our government. Under this program, so far 900 colleges and over 1 lakh students are registered. Prior to introduction of JKCs, industry linkage was limited to very few institutions and few colleges in urban areas.
Earlier, it would have been difficult for us as a company to reach out to all the 300 colleges, but through JKCs today, I think we are able to reach at least 50-60% of these colleges. I think JKC has been a big help in ensuring that we are able to come for campus placements.
Companies are looking for candidates who have more skills, who have better qualifications. So for that reason, we have started certification programs with Oracle, and we're going to be starting one with IBM soon, and we're working with Microsoft in the same direction.
Many companies, apart from providing software course material, provide training by experts